So guys, let's sketch and call this thing and happy Halloween.
I just can't stop, ayy, putting out spooky boy bops. Witches and pumpkins, I got that wop. Feeling like a gargoyle cause I'm sitting on top. Used to be a spooky boy but I grew some. Yeah, now I'm even more gruesome. I've been working all year on some new spooky tactics. Bitch, bet I'm gonna use them. Boom. I look like Frankenstein on my bullshit. About to come alive, y'all looking like J-Station. Like, you don't wanna call me at 3 a.m. You don't wanna catch these fangs. Got these fake spooky dudes looking like zombies. The way they all wishing they could have my brain, bitch. Hey, yeah, I'm a spooky man. Sound like a superhero, more like the boogeyman. At your Halloween party just for the goodie bag. Haters like evil scientists cause they looking mad. Cackling like a witch in the woods. Bars king size like the rich neighborhoods. When I pull up to your house now I just say treat. I don't want a trick, man, it's just no good. Danny Phantom in this bitch. Tell that witch hop in my ride. Haunted mansion with the whip. Couldn't spook me if you tried. Dad's a vampire, mom's a witch. I've been spooky my whole life. Spooky dancing in my crib. Yeah, spooky baby.
And thanks so much for watching guys. Enjoy the video.